How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's video, we'll take a look at ZOM. Now, if the quality is a bit bad, I'm using my other laptop because the other one wasn't working that good. But before we get into it, I do want to let you guys know that in the Patreon, we have been calling this and we have been trading this for a while now. Ever since the beginning of December, we were talking about it over the 30-cent level. And then now recently that the dollar was the PT, and we hit it today. Good volume, 1.1 billion shares, so definitely not one to underestimate. We'll take a look at the news in a second here, but at that dollar level, now it did pull back quite a bit down to 75 cents, but that's good because that means it's a good support level. Now, when we were calling it in the videos I was making here on YouTube and the Patreon, we didn't want it to pump up too quickly because March is quite a couple months away now. That's really when we're releasing their true formula. So we didn't want it to pump up too much that it would just tank and the news wouldn't affect it at all. So we were talking about a steady stair climb up, and that you didn't do that today. But at the same time, we had a nice support down there to 75 cents as well as 83, and right now at 87. So not that bad. Resistance going to be a 95 in that dollar level. That dollar level will be all-time resistance or support. We'll just have to see which one, if we can break above it or not. Now, I take you out to the 3-year. That high that is on everybody's mind right there at $2.98 per share. We'll go ahead and make that the green dotted line to represent the ultimate price target. Now, once you break out of the dollar range, the next stop is easily $1.25. Then just keep on working the way up by 10 cents and even 25 cents. But like I said, taking a look at the news now. So today's news, you guys know the Tiger King Carol Baskin. If you guys saw the video, she was talking about true formula, but I saw on Market Watch, this one, that it might have been a Cameo. You guys know that Cameo, I think it's an app or something that like you pay them. Like you pay them $2.99, and then you like say what they want you to say. Like if you guys saw like the ads, I know I did, but and I saw the video and I said, wow, yeah, I saw her doing another one like that with the same outfit and everything. So she might not actually be sponsored by it. Some investor could have paid her and just to say those words. So always be careful. Always do your due diligence when you're checking out news, because you don't know what is real and fake out there. But if it's on any Market Watch News or Dow Jones or I would believe it. But just still, don't believe everything you see here on YouTube. For example, is what I'm trying to say. But the true formula, like I said, will be releasing in March. So stay tuned for that. We called it in the Patreon. It's going to go past $3. If it's good news and it doesn't get pumped up too quickly, then yeah, it definitely will. If I bring you out to the 180 day, you can see here, actually bring it out to the 1 year. It's good, but here's the problem. If we break it, there's the 62 to 60. It's only 2 cents, but still, it's a big gap with little support down from 70. But we do have that 75 resistance today after hours. We'll have to see what it comes down to below that, because the only really year support is 50 cents. That's not including the past 2021. So in 2020, the only support was 50 cents. Now we'll have to see if we can come down to it. I don't want it to come down to 50, but like I'm keeping on repeating myself here, guys. But 65 cents. 60 cents is really what I wanted to see it come down to at the most. So really stay above 70 and just trade out here for a couple months and trade February too, because you don't want it to be okay. I'll tell you this right now. If you guys take a look at GNUS, it doesn't even trade anything now, but the year chart right here, it pumped up to $11, and on new speculation that it was going to release in June right here, and it spiked up only to $2.50 to $3. So it was completely just by the aspect of the news, but not actually by the news. So that's what I don't want to happen. Obviously, GNUS doesn't, it's not the same company as ZOM, but just the chart and analyst aspect of that side. So I don't want it to do that. But that 298 level looks really good, and I really think we can hit it. Let me know if you guys traded today. We had a great, again, a great day in the Patreon. Congratulations, guys. You guys killed it today. If you guys want to get a spot in there, click the link in the description. And hopefully I'll see you there. But ZOM, guys, thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, comments, opinions, drop them down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.